I'd like to welcome you guys to my videos. Today I'm in Greendale, Indiana, that's right. And I'm going to take you on a trail, which I'm going to call it the soccer field trail. I wish they'd put something like this in the town I live in, but they never have. But I do have one interesting thing to tell you. I got some interesting thing to tell you. When we first got Kid, the very first place he was able to relieve himself was right here in this spot. Because when we got Kid, they told us, do not let him, let's start walking, come on Kid, forward. Do not take him in any grass over here, which was all business and stuff. There's lots of people that take their dogs out there, and he didn't have all the shots. So he had to use the bathroom. So we got almost, well, here in Greendale, we pulled over and my dog peed. It's the only time he peed outside of his own front yard. All right, guys. Oh, this is kind of beautiful. It goes in a big wide circle. One of the downsides I see right now, my dog is eating all the geese poop. It's loaded with geese crap. I thought most of the geese flew south for the winter, but evidently they didn't. Notice the fence that's open. I know I'm not going in there, but this whole area right here is fenced off. That's quite interesting. Now, from back there, I thought this was a bridge, but it is not. Huh. But it is a nice walking path. It'd be nicer if it didn't have a lot of geese poop on it, because Mr. Kid here is trying to eat every damn geese poop he can see. Ain't that right, Mr. Kid? It's like a delicacy for you. This place isn't too far from the Bark Park. And you guys will be seeing that video soon. Yeah. Plus, we're going to one day come back to a trail called the Tiger Trail. This ain't bad. You know, this is what they was going to do around the soccer field at home. But never did. I wish they would, because if I had something like this, Kit and I would walk it every day. Kind of reminds me of the football field. Yeah, the football field that Kit and I walk a lot. Well, some kind of warehouse here on the left. And down this little area we're at, you got a lot of little warehouse type things. Motel, hotel up yonder. Not sure what that is. And way over yonder there, that's the dog park. Well, he seems to like it. But leave it. But he's being somewhat brand new because it's a new location, and he seems to kind of like the taste for geese poop. He's done that before. Look at all the geese tracks. Yeah. That's kind of neat. Well, we keep going, and we head all the way over yonder, and head all the way back that way. The funniest thing is, I haven't seen no geese here. This place is just loaded with geese poop. If I knew there was this much geese poop on here, I would never have brought Kit. Because of the simple fact, I knew he would want to eat everything, or every piece. But as much geese poop we ran across, there's no geese. Now, that would make one wonder, but I see geese footprints, if that makes sense. And we've had a lot of rain. That wouldn't be there unless there's geese that fly here on a day-to-day basis. It could be they're somewhere else, and they may fly in later on this evening. Here you go, guys. We started all the way back there at the tree line, and I stopped in a really bad place because look at all this geese poop. Come on, Kit, forward. Nope, leave it. Oh, this is a challenge. But to zigzag the geese poop, Kit, there's more on this side than there ever was on the other side. So if you happen to know where I'm at and you ever wanted to walk this, well, it's mighty fine. Just watch out for the geese poop. This also reminds me of the football field that we walk at. Through the summer months and spring, it gets loaded as well, but it doesn't have any there now. It seems like the geese do not pay it a visit through the colder months, at least there. Here, I think they call this place heaven. Home. There's not right across more geese poop than I've seen in a long time. All right, we're headed down the other straightaway now. Oh, it looks like the trail kind of like zigs around this little, I don't know what you call it. We thought the trail was going to run to an end. What, hon?
Probably concession stand.
Yeah, but no, it just zigs around. As back yonder there, you couldn't see it. Yeah, back that way, you couldn't see it. It looked like he went to the road, but it kind of zigzags. I like zigzags, by the way. When I walk, I love zigzags. I don't know what it is, but I really, really do. Not bad. So far, am I liking this trail? Yes. It's very laid out. It looks like it's brand spanking new asphalt. The only downside is the geese poop, but you can't help that. You know, the geese got to poop somewhere, right? And once the brand newness kind of once the newness kind of wore off with him, he hasn't settled down all the way. Leave it. He's still trying to get the geese poop when we stop, but he seems to be liking it too. All right, carry on. And right there's some of the soccer field goalposts, I would imagine. Drinking water protected area. Interesting. Huh, that looks old though. Look at that. Look at that well right yonder. See if we get a better shot of it, kid. Don't pull me, honey. Don't pull me. Huh, let's walk right up in here. Come on, kid. Huh. Look how old that well looks. I don't know if you guys see it through the fence, but wow. That is a north well. Quite interesting. Okay, we're getting ready to come to the end of the trail where we started. And this will conclude today's video. And my watch just told me, if you take the whole thing around, it's a mile. So, here you go. It's a mile walk. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think this place would be really good if you're coming down watching a soccer game, or you want to get out and walk, or whatever the case may be. And I wish my town, leave it. I wish my town, stay. We'll do something like this around this soccer field. It was supposed to, but it has not. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. Today's video is just one of the places here in southeastern Indiana you can take your dog for a little walk-see. That's right, and not be bothered by nobody. It could be because it's wintertime too. I don't know what this place is like in the summer. See you guys next time, y'all. Thanks for watching. I got tongue-tied on that one. Holy smokes, I did. I haven't done that in a while in my videos. We'll see you guys soon.